Today in math, you are going to be doing problems 20 through 25 on page 95 from lesson 3-1. You're going to be dividing the single digit number into the larger numbers, keeping an eye on the zeros in the dividends so that you can apply those zeros to the quotient. So for example, for problem number 18, you have 4 being divided into 320, and you can approach this problem by looking at 4 being divided into just the 32, and 4 divided into 32 goes in 8 times. You can also add that 0 on because there's a 1 0 in the dividend, so there should be 1 0 in the quotient. So 4 times 80 is 320. You would have no remainder for that. So you will be doing the division problems on each page, or each problem, and then you're also going to be multiplying to check your division. You are also going to be doing page 96. All of the problems you're going to need to divide with zeros. There will be remainders, and then you need to multiply to check your answer. So for number 27, I am going to be dividing 8 into 643. I know that 8 goes into 64 8 times. I'm going to go ahead and put a 0 on there, and I get 640. So there's a remainder of 3. So the answer for number 27 would be 80 with a remainder of 3. And then to check my work, I would do 8 times 80. 8 times 0 is 0, and then 8 times 8 is 64. I had a remainder of 3. If I add that on there, I get 643, which is the amount of the dividend in problem 27. So I would like for you to do the division for each problem on page 96, and then also make sure that you check your answers with multiplication. After you multiply, make sure that you add the remainder to the answer.